Skippy the what? Skippy the who? Skippy the bush kangaroo!
Skippy's the greatest friend that you'll ever know. Skippy's the one and only star of our show. Skippy will cheer you up when you feel down. With Skip as your friend, the fun never ends day after day.
Skippy the what?
Skippy the who? Skippy the bush kangaroo!
Skippy the bush kangaroo. Skippy, my friend, that's true. Skippy's the one to trust. With Skip as your friend, the fun never ends day after day.
Skippy the what? Skippy the who?
Skippy the bush kangaroo!
Skippy will save the day when things all look bad. Skippy and all his pals will make you so glad. Skippy will fight until the bad guys lose. With Skip as your friend, the fun never ends day after day.
Skippy the what? Skippy the who?
Skippy the bush kangaroo!
Skippy the bush kangaroo. Skippy, my friend, that's true. Skippy's the one to trust. With Skip as your friend, the fun never ends day after day.
Every time you need a friend, there's only one true blue. Our favourite marsupial, Skip the kangaroo.
Let's sing and shout and laugh about and complete all the crew. There's Boss, Croco, Matilda, and Skip the kangaroo. Skippy's the greatest friend that you'll ever know. Skippy's the one and only star of our show. Skippy will cheer you up when you feel down. With Skip as your friend, the fun never ends day after day.
Skippy the what?
Skippy the who?
Skippy the bush kangaroo.
And I'd like to thank Croco Caterers for doing such a beaut job with the tucker.
When's this thing gonna be over?
Finally, folks, as we conclude this year's Park Rangers Benevolent Association banquet, our First Lady, my lovely wife Suka, will perform a song.
Time to split.
How about a round of applause?
Struth, we're trapped.
This song goes out to all the brave park rangers who risk their lives to protect our trees.
It ain't over till the First Lady sings.
Hit it, Lucretia!
Aha!
What's this for?
Watch.
Is all around me, sitting in a lovely marsh, singing to myself a la-di-da, la-di-di-di-dum. Did somebody say encore?
Yeah, if you like her live, you'll love her new album. Available in the lobby.
No, Charlie, no. Go on, there's plenty of discs for everyone.
Yeah, how many records did we sell? Let me see. That's 7 from 64. Take away the 10. None? Why didn't I like her? Her voice is like an angel.
So perhaps only the angels can hear it, and maybe dogs.
What? Oh, I thought she was lousy. Unless that's
what?
going to affect my job prospects, in which case I thought she was great.
Yeah, you're right. Suka can't sing a flaming note. I've invested so much to make her a star, but, well, nothing's worked. May I speak to Mr. Rodge?
Putting you through.
What can you do for me, Mr. Mayor? A meeting? I don't have the time. Lots of cash, you say? Well, I'll be there in 5 minutes. What did you say?
I said this is your next gold record, Mr. Rodge.
Don't tell me. You have a band.
Not me. A young, talented girl. She's gonna be the next big thing. Name's Wallaby. Take a listen to her tape.
Well, I'm not signing any new acts at this time.
Ah! I'm not asking you to sign her yet. But once you heard her sing,
I heard it 100 times, kid. Give it to my secretary.
she'll just throw it on a pile.
I assure you, it'll get all the attention it deserves. Don't they realize there are a million good singers out there? My business is about making stars.
This girl is a star. Listen. Just give her a fair hearing, eh?
A friend is all you need when you're down and feeling blue. A friend can help you out of all your troubles. Yeah, that's true. A friend is there.
Take it with you, Mr. Rog.
Mr. Rog, I need a record producer of your skill to help my darling wife. Her album's about to be released and we're shooting her first video tomorrow. She also has a concert booked at the amphitheater.
Well, it sounds like everything is set. What do you need me for?
Suka can't sing or even dance. I mean, she's had many lessons.
Help!
Yeah, but they haven't helped. I was hoping that you might be able to bring out her talent.
Look, it takes more than talent to become a star. You need publicity, promotion, packaging.
Perhaps you need a certain amount of this.
Oh, certainly. You need lots of this.
Help me! Oh, I'm losing all feeling in my leg.
Now, honey, this is Mr. Rog, the record producer. He's gonna work with you.
Oh, I'm familiar with your work. I look forward to our collaboration. Let's go!
Yeah, right.
I think this was a waste of time. I don't need any more singing lessons. My voice is my instrument.
Even a perfect instrument needs tuning, precious.
Well, let's see what you have, Suka. We'll start with the scales. La 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 la. Now you.
La 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 la.
Perhaps I should explain. You see, I want you to sing the same notes I'm playing, not the same words. La la la.
I was.
I think we've hit the problem. Try again.
La 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 la.
And again.
Why, it sounded perfect to me. It's time for my tea.
So, what do you think?
Well, the first word that springs to mind is blech. But with a lot of money. I mean, potential.
Oh, excellent.
But you should put off the release of the album and the music video. Cancel that concert. She's not ready.
Yeah, but my little lady had her heart set on the concert.
In that case, I've got one more trick up my sleeve.
Anything.
A friend is all you need when you're down and feeling blue. A friend can help you out of all your troubles. Yeah, that's true. A friend is there through good times and through bad times every time. And now you know that I'm your friend, and I know that you're mine. And now you know that I'm your friend, and I know that you're mine.
Hey, you were great. Fabulous. Terrific.
Look, that record producer's here. The one I gave you tape to. His name's Rog, but what's he doing here with Croco? They make a strange combination.
Mr. Croco would like to speak with you alone.
Wait a minute. What for?
It's not your business.
I'd better go.
Wallaby!
We're ready to record.
Are you ready, my dear?
Ready?
Sitting in a marsh, alone once again. I haven't got a friend to speak of. The mud is cool and wet, and though my heart is set on finding me a friend to lean on.
I'm telling you, Wallaby is your next gold record. She is great. Did you take a listen to Wallaby's tape?
Oh, it was fabulous.
Great. So you'll sign her?
Well, I was going to, till I saw this.
Look, we've got a music, video exclusive from Bushtown's newest star, so do yourself a favour, Suka!
What? This is a joke. She has a voice like a frog.
Not anymore.
He'll never find a woman like me. He thinks he's got it made.
Yeah, this is the kind of talent Guy Records needs. She's dynamic, fresh, and oddly attractive. In a big sort of way.
This isn't happening. I'm having a hideous dream.
Tears for me, crocodile tears for me, crocodile tears.
The Suka look is everywhere. How can she be so popular?
It's all to do with publicity and promotion, Skippy. That's how stars are made. Plus, she's got a great voice.
Too great. What is it? A riot?
No, it's tickets to the Suka concert. They just went on sale.
I'm getting to the bottom of this.
If it isn't Skippy and the news reporters. Come begging for an interview, have you? Well, maybe 5 minutes, but hurry up. We got 60 minutes arriving any moment.
Hi.
How about a song?
I'd like to see that too.
Yes, certainly. Maybe later.
Oh, I'd love to sing for them.
Oh, but you're tired after a long recording session, my petal. Your voice is precious. I mean, it needs time.
Ah, he's a slick one, all right.
Now do what I say or I'll...
All right, keep your scales on.
Yeah, that's enough time. Give them both barrels, Suka, baby.
He left me for a snake. I know it's his mistake. He'll never find a woman
I know that voice.
like me. He thinks he's got it made. It's just a masquerade. I know that he'll be back.
Wallaby.
What's the matter? Why has she stopped?
Well, maybe she forgot the words.
Skippy, what are you doing here? You ruin everything.
Why are you doing this?
Mr. Rog promised me a recording contract.
Rog doesn't care about you. He's working for Croco. It's you who should be the star, not Suka.
Oh, please, don't butt in, Skippy. Roger's the big time. He can make or break me.
Her album sold out in 20 minutes, a sales record. After tonight's concert, we plan an island-wide tour. She's a major talent.
In fact, talent isn't the word for her.
Thanks for the interview, Mia.
Where were you?
Just taking a look around.
He knows something.
How about we catch Suka's show? It should be interesting.
You know something, don't you?
Oh, Good grief!
You look, different.
Rog, you're amazing. You've given me a whole new voice.
If only you knew.
Oh, what was that?
Oh, yeah, he said it's a whole new you. Where's that girl?
I'm here.
Well, get in there.
What about my record contract?
Mr. Rog will sign them after the show. Don't you trust us? That Skippy knows something. Bruiser, don't let him near here. I don't want any problems.
All right, boss. Come on, you blokes. There. Uh-oh, it's trouble. It be the Three Stooges.
Just stay with the crowd. Duck down as we pass them.
Closer. Come here, you. Oh.
Ladies and gentlemen, the Bushtown Amphitheater is proud to present Suka.
Oh, my wonderful, adoring public. How you deserve me. Here's the next hit from my latest album.
A friend is all you need when you're down and feeling blue. A friend can help you out of all your troubles. Yeah, that's true. A friend is there through good times and through bad times every time. And now you know that I'm your friend, and I know that you're mine.
Uh-oh.
They bring him back.
Hang on up here, you guys.
I got him.
Hey! Aha! You can't beat the bright lights of show business.
I got you now, you interfering little marsupial you.
Turn it off! Turn it off!
Number one out.
Hey, let me down. No, let me down.
Drat and blast them. They can't find me here.
Now, where is Skippy?
Come on, you guys, what's the hold-up? The show will be finished soon. We'll have to split up. Poss, you take stage left.
Right.
No, not right. Only left.
Yeah, that's what I say.
No, you said right.
Let me. You are right. You take stage left.
Yeah, right.
Wamba, stage right.
Okay.
Hey,
Here she is again, Suka!
all we have to do is throw that switch and the whole world will hear what Suka really sounds like.
That's delicious. Let me do it.
After you.
Don't you touch those dials.
Yeah, just groove to that happening music, man.
Out of the way, pork chop.
Oh, don't you know it's bad vibes to interrupt the performer when they're doing their thing, man?
Help you out of all your troubles. Yeah, that's true. A friend is there through good.
Now, you and your lady friend just stay nice and calm and nobody gets hurt.
Oops, clumsy ass.
And now you know that I'm your friend and
Take a hike, lady! Get off! That's awful!
You Philistines! You peasants!
Terrible!
And so is this dress. Look, tomato stains all down the front. I'll need a brand new one for my next concert.
Well, I suppose it's goodbye to the big time.
Not necessarily. Wallaby, I want you to meet a friend of mine.
I think you have a great voice, kid, and a great future. There's a recording contract up for grabs to the first person to go out there and tame that wild crowd.
Ladies and gentlemen, we exposed a fraud here tonight. Now it's time you saw and heard the real thing.
What?
A friend is all you need when you're down and feeling blue. A friend can help you out of all your troubles. Yeah, that's true. A friend is there through good times and through bad times.
Why do I have to wear my coat over my head?
Oh, you know how it takes more than talent to get to the top? Well, when you get to the bottom, all you need's a big coat and a fast getaway car.
And I know that you're mine.
I do love it when a plan comes together.